Hello students, welcome to Quizzing Today. Get ready to answer the Indian Polity quiz. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's begin. Which amendment is known as the mini constitution? Which constitutional body is responsible for recommending distribution of tax revenues? Finance Commission. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced by which Amendment Act? '73rd. The governor of a state holds office for a term of 5 years. The first state in India formed on a linguistic basis. Andhra Pradesh. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) is mentioned in which article? (315). In India, the upper house is known as Rajya Sabha. The Council of Ministers in the Union government is responsible to Lok Sabha. Who administers the oath of the Prime Minister of India? President. The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to Anti-Defection Law. The language of the preamble of the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Australia. What is the term of the Rajya Sabha? None. The joint sitting of the Parliament is presided over by Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Municipalities. Which of the following body supervises the municipal elections? State Election Commission. The impeachment of the President is mentioned under Article 61. The money bill is mentioned under Article 110. The President submits resignation to The concept of DPSP is borrowed from Ireland. On what date was the Constitution of India put into force? The President of India is elected by which method? Electoral College. The State Election Commissioner is appointed by Governor. Under which provision of the Indian Constitution can the President dissolve the Lok Sabha? '85. The President can pass an ordinance under which provision? Article 123. The state list, concurrent list, and union list are mentioned in which schedule? Seventh schedule. Education is now placed under which list after the 42nd Amendment? Concurrent list. Which articles enables the President to establish an interstate council? Article 263. The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) was established in 1993. The right to constitutional remedies is guaranteed under which article? '32. Which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of new states? '3. The Panchayati Raj system was first implemented in which state? Rajasthan. How many did you get? Comment your scores below, choose a quiz challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe to Quizzing Today.